Welcome to episode number 146. Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta. I hope you all are doing great in your life and welcome back to another episode of Rise of Inspiration with Sangeeta. Today I'm gonna talk about how to commit to a new habit. But before that, if you're new to this channel is all about helping you to reach at your highest goal and to believe in yourself and remove all those barriers that you have kept in your life. That is hashtag remove your label is my mission, where I want you all to see what are labels that the people have put in on you, which is absolutely wrong. So let's dive into today's episode and let's see how we can commit ourselves through the new habit. For starting any new habit, it's to be started small. Make it so easy to do that you can't say no. For example, doing 3 Surya Namaskar would be easy than doing a 10 or 15 Surya Namaskar in a day, right? So commit yourself for a small steps. Next is, when you slip, get back on track quickly. Do not wait it for a very long time. That's what happens whenever I am in a track of drinking a lot of water. Eventually some days come where you won't be able to have 5 liters of water or 4 liters of water. So what I do when I see that, when I track that, I quickly go into it and I see to that I take enough amount of water. Next is to be patient and stick to the pace that you can sustain. Be patient, don't be in a hurry and don't be hard to yourself. Prepare your surroundings to support your new habits. Declare your habits that I'm gonna get up for so and so hour, please do support me. That's it. And people will support you. If at all they don't support you, then it's not at all your problem. Next is, remind yourself, why are you doing this new habit? What is your end result? For example, if I commit myself to read half an hour, what is my end result? To gain more knowledge? To learn more new things? To excel in some field? Right? I need practice. Then the next point is, map out the perfect or the proper steps to follow your new habit every day. You need to have a proper structure where you see that you track your habits every day. Next is, reward yourself whenever you do that and do it efficiently. And always have an accountable partner in your life to make your habit to reach a particular pendulum so that it can make you swing when you are in a wrong position, right? Hope you loved and enjoyed. Say me in the comment that what are your new habits that you want to take in your life and which is helping you a lot. Do share these habits to your family and friends and tell them how to do it in a efficient way. These are very small tricks, so do share and do enjoy it. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.